How much money can a full-time shopper make? Obviously, you're probably top 1% because you make 5 grand a week, 3-4 grand a week on average, right?
Yeah.
What do you think the average full-time shopper can make? And we're talking not 15 hours a day. We're talking 8 hours a day, 10 hours a day.
I would say $250
a day.
a day.
So $250 a day.
And that's, so I'm honestly maybe even $300. But
$300 a day.
Let's say $250 is a safe
$250
average.
a day average.
Yeah.
And that's 5 days a week?
5 days a week. Yeah.
So that's over $1,000 a week, guys. That's 50 grand. And we're talking low numbers. That's crazy to me.
Yeah. It's a crazy opportunity.
Yeah. And you get in really good exercise walking around so much.
Yeah, lifting too. Who needs
For
a gym
real.
membership?
Guys, you save money on your gym membership. You get free cardio. Would you, what kind of shoes would you wear? Would you wear running shoes?
Yeah, tennis shoes.
Oh, you wouldn't wear Vans? You'd wear like Nike running shoes?
No, I would wear Vans.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I feel like it's like a workout, so you're like,
Yeah.
I feel like maybe help your agility. Maybe you could work faster.
I know, I should have worn like, or the wheelies. So just like go.
You're on a skateboard? Okay. All right, the next one, guys. Oh, well, I mean, just on that note, do you think, we were just talking about this, do you think people should do this full time?
I think so.
Because you've done it full time.
I have done it full time. I mean, I think if you're looking for like a job or way to earn money full time, I think this would be a great way to do it. Just understand like what you're getting yourself into, because you are, you know, alone a lot of the time shopping in your car. You have to adjust your lifestyle, like when to eat, when to exercise. I
always felt embarrassed doing it in the grocery. I feel like the grocery workers were like mad at me or something.
Yeah,
I feel like they're like, I feel like they're like, get out of here.
Yeah, well, usually because they know that you're making way more money than they are. That was a big, it's true.
Yeah, that's true.
Because you're just grinding in and out, especially if you're in the same store like 5 times a day. They know what you're doing. Like,
yeah, exactly. Some of them were like really nice. They're like, hey, how's it going? Good to see you. And then other times people are like, what? You can't find where the hummus is?
Yeah.
I'm not helping you.
Yeah, I would say definitely try to stay on the good side of the workers, because they can also help you, which could help your time.
Yeah, for real. One time we went to Costco and we had one dude literally walk us around, do our whole batch for us, because we didn't know where any of the stuff was.
Oh, that's so sweet.
He was like, what else do you want? I was like, we need hot dogs. He's like, right over here.
You just given him the phone.
No, we literally did. He was like, I got it. We just literally followed him. He was doing it for us. Pro tip, guys, hand your Instacart phone to the worker and he'll do
Don't say anything, just see what happens.
Yeah.